PK Lifestyles Huntington Stripe, featuring a Domino, black and white, thin pinstripe railroaded pattern that is a high-performance, woven upholstery fabric, which is durable and classic. Part of the Performance Plus 2 collection, it is designed for heavy-duty use with a factory-applied protectant that makes it soil and stain-resistant. A woven linen blend fabric that offers a soft yet stable and durable feel. Fabric content: 65% polyester, 20% acrylic, 15% linen. Fabric width: 57 inch. Repeat: 0.00 inch horizontal, 3.00 vertical. Fabric weight: 420 gram per square meter. Country of origin: China. Fabric care: solvent or water. Abrasion: 51,000 double rub Wyzenbeek. Flammability: Cal TB 1172013. Sustainability standard: 100 by OEKO-TEX. Multipurpose: versatile enough for various home decor projects, including furniture, sofas, armchairs, and dining chairs. Accents: decorative pillows, cushions, and headboards. Other: cornice boards, certain window treatments, and handbags. Priced by the yard, discounted, discontinued, closeout, special buy, limited quantity. At SchindlersFabrics.com. Schindler's Upholstery and Fabric Shop, Inc. In Cleveland, Ohio.